Hello friends, today I am reviewing Alps Rosemary Water. Many people say rosemary water helps with hair fall and hair growth. So let's see what this product is and how to use it. This is rosemary water for thick hair. It comes in a spray bottle, so it is very easy to use. The brand says it is silicone free, sulfate free and paraffin free. Rosemary water is commonly used to help reduce hair fall, strong hair roots, support healthy hair growth. But remember, this is not a magic product. You need regular use. How to use? I use it like this after hair wash on towel dried hair. Spray it directly on the scalp. Gently massage for 1 or 2 minutes. No need to wash it off. You can use it in the morning or at night. Smell. The smell is very mild, not strong. The texture is just like water, very light and non-sticky. Okay, don't expect instant result. With regular use for 3 or 4 weeks, you may notice reduced hair fall and slightly thicker looking hair. If you found this video help, please subscribe, share and like. Tata, bye bye, see you.